Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new blog. I really hope you all guys are doing good. It's Saturday morning around 6:30 or so, and today I have welcomed you all with a warm cup of green tea. As the weather is changing, I've fallen a bit sick, but yeah, I'm doing good so far and trying to recover soon. So if you find my voice little odd in today's video, so please excuse me for that. Anyways, coming back to the work, today I have some list of tasks to be accomplished. So I have already started with the first one. I got few plants last week, and after getting them, I have kept them with my balcony plants to be acquainted with my balcony atmosphere. I always usually do this way. Whenever I get new plants, I keep them for few days with my balcony plants to do friendship with the new plants, and then I will repot them. So today I have to repot all of them, and I got these plants basically for my entryway, and few of them like snake plant and anthurium one are the new addition to my plants collection. I have never earlier interacted with them, so quite feeling excited to see how they will do in my space. And this spider plant produced a lot of baby spider things actually, so I have repotted them as well in this hanging pot, and after repotting them I am going to water them thoroughly and keep them for some 30 minutes in the balcony before arranging them. So this is the space from my entryway where I get some filtered light from the open duct area, and I have already kept few indoor plants there and they are doing good so far, so I thought to add few more to enhance this area even more. Post this, it's already the breakfast time, and we are going to have poha for the breakfast today. As I was not doing good, I kept it simple and easy one, for which here I have taken few veggies like potato, green peas, carrots, etc., fried well with some onion and green chilies with some salt and turmeric powder, and later I have added the pre-soaked poha into it and fried a bit. And after the poha is fried well, I will finish it off with some roasted peanuts and chopped coriander leaves, and the poha is ready to serve. I also made a glass of muskmelon juice to go along with it. Post breakfast, the most important task for the day is going to start, which is organizing my dressing area. As you can see, this space looks so messy and everything is quite mixed up. I'm not finding anything whatever I'm looking for. So it's high time to tackle this space. And also I have planned to give a nice Pinteresty look this time to this dressing area, for which I have ordered few stuff from online, which I will share with you guys as we are moving towards the organization part. So don't skip the video anywhere and watch till end to get the final Pinteresty look of this dressing area. So let's start with the organization and do it together. So first I have emptied the entire space and started with the dusting of the mirror and the open shelf, followed by the wet wiping before proceeding with the organization part. When it comes to organizing any space, the first task for me is to empty it completely. This way I feel whenever I get the empty canvas, the organization becomes more functional and effective too. After the dry dusting, using here some Colleen to clean up the mirror and the shelf area and do a bit of wet wiping. Now though the cleanup part is completed, let's start with organization. So first here I am using this Lazy Susan, my favorite product coming to organizing any space. I completely rely on these Lazy Susan. I find it quite helpful and functional too. So I am arranging all the serums, lotions, creams, etc. which we use on the daily basis almost every day, arranging everything in this Lazy Susan and going to keep it one of the open shelf, which will be handy for all of us. Next, I'm using this makeup organizer to arrange all the face pack brushes, makeup brushes, kajal, lip balm, liner, mascara, etc. I'm not a makeup person though, so you don't see me keeping a lot of makeup stuff in the video. And the simple base foundation with some face powder, kajal and lip balm works best for me. But still I have few makeup products which I generally use while attending any parties or any festivities. So I'm arranging all of them in this organizer and going to keep it in another open shelf of mine to keep it handy. Next on the top open shelf, I have kept this beautiful girl decor. As the shelf is on the higher part, it will be quite difficult to access anything if I keep there. So this girl decor with the artificial hanging plant in hand goes best for that shelf. After arranging the open shelf, I'm going to give a wipe down to this top part of the cabinet where I'm going to create a Pinteresty look. Now it's time to tackle the drawers of the dressing unit. So I got two of them and they are quite huge and spacious too. If you see in the drawers also, there are a lot of things are kept here and there, and most of them are the bangles. I love wearing bangles, so there are a lot of them and they have just wandered here and there. So I got a new bangle organizer box. I already have two of them with me, but they are already full. So I got a new one in which I am going to arrange the rest of the bangles which are lying here and there. After the bangles are organized, I have emptied the first drawer completely and giving a nice wipe down before organizing it back. This is an old dupatta which I am going to lie down as a base in the first drawer to keep it safe from any scratches or any leakage from the oils or the creams which I keep here. Next, in an organizer box, I have arranged all the accessories like big earrings, necklaces, etc. and keeping them one by one. Next, in this plastic box I have kept some stone studded hair clips, and in another plastic box I have kept all the stone earrings, etc. Next, in this small wooden organizer, I have arranged all my silver toy rings, and using these organizers I am going to arrange all my silver anklets. I do love wearing anklets, so there are few of them with me. And in another organizer I am going to keep all my crunchies and the clutches. And with this, the first drawer organization is completed. As you guys can see, there are a lot of empty space I have achieved, which can be utilized to arrange the new purchases. Now let's move on to the second drawer of my dressing unit. As it is a bottom one, I'm going to keep all the less or occasional used products in this drawer. Things like my bangle boxes, hair accessories, some extra product stock, travel pouches, etc. goes in here. And before arranging this drawer, I'm also going to give a nice wipe down as usual. And with this, my second drawer of the dressing area is also well organized. I'm going to give a final wipe down also from the outside of the cabinet. And with this, another new Pinteresty corner of my house is also all decked up. And with this, let's end the video here. I just fell in love with the final outcome of this space, how it turned out. Let me know in the comment box how you guys find it. And with this, let's end the video here. I will give a quick tour of the entire new Pinteresty dressing area of mine and take your leave. I will soon come back with another one. Until next time, stay tuned, stay healthy. Thanks for watching till end. Bye. Take care.